Alright, so I'm going to be taking this out for a test soon. Come on to the grease. Let's try and get it open. Alright, so I'll be putting a dollop of this grease on my gearing. You might think I'm a bit crazy, but as I said, it made a huge difference. So I've put a GDS pinion on. I used to have a HPI pinion, but I thought I'd try the GDS pinion with a GDS spur gear. And I've changed my Loctite to this. I used to have the blue one before, so I'm going to try the red one. As soon as it keeps pinging off every 5 seconds, hopefully we should be able to keep it on. And also, I'm going to be greasing up the gears, because I tried greasing it up the other day, and it definitely made it sound a lot smoother. There's less friction between the two gears. It didn't matter so much for the Traxxas ones, I don't think, because of the type of metal it's made out of, but this kind of stuff is cut metal, whereas the Traxxas ones are compressed metal. So, okay, as I say, we're going to grease these up, just with generic grease. Just going to be using something like multi-purpose grease on them, extreme pressure. So I'll just run that across all the gears, and we'll see how it sounds when I'm out and about. Like I said, I've already tried it, and it does sound a lot better. A hell of a lot less friction. Hi guys, just changed my spur gear. I just noticed something I was going to share with you guys on my X-Maxx. Before I do that, here's my old spur gears. Absolutely chewed up. The one on the right's my old one, and the one on the left is the one I got from Kev. Absolutely chewed. So right, there's my new spur gear in here. And a number of people mentioned to me not to keep playing about with the throttle, so where it keeps snagging as I pull off, so I'm like on off, flipping on the throttle basically. I was thinking, what's the issue with it? And then I thought, let's have a look. And I noticed that there's a lot of movement naturally in the X-Maxx's gearing. So, I mean, before the car even moves, that's now engaged. You can see it. That's engaged. So that's ready to move the car. I can move that all the way. Now it's ready to go the other direction. Move that all the way again. And now that's ready to engage. Move that again. Now it's ready to engage. As you can see, there's that movement of play. It's like literally a third of a revolution of play between this driving. So you can see now why you don't want to be blipping on the throttle, because all of that momentum it can get in that third of a turn will pop that pinion off the motor. So yeah, you don't want to be blipping the throttle if you can help it. Just want to point this out whilst I was taking mine apart. There's my cover there, just there, if you're wondering what that is. So yeah, it needs a good clean, but yeah, I thought I'd just point it out for you guys, so you know why people keep saying not to blip the throttle. Just need to work that in the gears.